So this is Concert Song on page 26, number 75 of All for Strings for violin. One little thing we should talk about is that there is a dies al fine, so that makes the song a little longer. So there's no actual written repeats, but you play all the way to the end, and at the very bottom it says dies al fine, which means you go back to the sign, which is what the S means. So if you look at bar number 9, the beginning of the second line, there's a little symbol. So that's where you go back to. So you play all 3 lines, then you go back to the beginning of the second line where the symbol is, and you play until you see the word fine, which is an Italian word for finish. So we are going to play all 3 lines, go back to the second line and play that, and then we'll be done. So if you're following along, that's how this works. And so I'm going to play it 2 ways. I'm going to play the top line all the way through until fine, and then I'm going to play the harmony bottom line, just so that you can play along with me while you're playing the top line. So here's how it goes. Back to the sign. Now we reach the fine, so that's the end. So now I'm going to play the ensemble part, which is just what's called harmony. So it fits really nicely under the melody line that you're playing, or the solo. And so I'm going to play that. So once you master the solo part, you can play over top of my harmony, and hopefully it sounds really good. So here we go. Okay, so that is the bottom line where you can play with me. Keep in mind that my rhythms are often different. So on the bottom line, so you're playing quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm playing half notes, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? It's just something to watch out for. It might confuse you at first. But that's how concert song goes. Enjoy.